Hey guys, welcome to another box break of 2012 Chrome Crown Royale Panini. Alright, before we get started, information, subscribe. I've already opened a Twitter account, Break City Cards, at Break City Cards. Thumbs up. Alright guys, so let's see what we got. It's 5 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. There should be something in every pack. Let's check it out, man. Last time I did pretty good. Get this out of the way. Last time I put out a Mario Williams for the, I think, Bills. There you go. But make sure you guys thumbs up, guys. Please. And follow me on Twitter. And I'll make sure I follow back. I Break City Cards. I got this thing. I'll put this over here for right now. And dun 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 dun. Alright. Gotta fix the camera. There it is. It's felt better. I got this one, 2, and this one was hanging back here. Alright guys. Let's check it out, let's check it out. Sorry I'm taking this time. But yeah. Oh, before we get started I want to say thanks for Panini, because they're following me on Twitter. How cool is that? Alright guys. Let's get to it now. The last 2 packs are open, so I know that after the first card, there should be the hit right there. So, let's go 1, 2, 3. Alright, first of all, we got Tony Gonzalez for the Falcons. Tight end. See this is number 2. 149. I'm gonna put it upside down for you guys. These are very thin, guys. Super thin. It's kind of hard to pick up after it's been done. We got Christian Ponder for the Vikings. I think this is the base. Yep, base card. We got NFL Eugene, Chris Johnson for the Titans. And not numbered. Kind of seen the logo in the back already. We got another Tony Gonzalez. This is a base, and we got a royalty. Now this is a base. Tony Gonzalez. I was getting excited, man. Rookie Brandon Whedon, pay dirt. There you go. New Jersey. Nice. Rookie number 2. Ooh, 03 out of 149. See that there? Yeah, the jersey number. So I guess it's the eBay 101. How cool is that? Jersey number 3. 3. Alright, we got that. Oh, this one's kind of thick. Look at it all thick. And we got that. And we got 1, 2. Oh, we got redemption here. Cool. We got Whitney Merciless, Texans rookie. I like the old school how they do it. Right here, the old school rookie. This is green, so this should be at a 49. Upside down. You. Michael Vick. Base. We got Marquise Colston. I got this one in the last pack, I think. No number. Tony Romo for the Cowboys. Not number base. And check out what I got. Ooh, Nick Toon. Rookie silhouette. Check that out. Nice. Rookie silhouette. 275 card number. Nick Toon. I don't know how much is that. 96 points. That's pretty thick. Let's see that there. I've got that. Alright, another rookie. That Ben Maggette for the Texans. Number 2, $3.99. Brandon Petru, tight end for the Lions. Base. We got Matt Castle, pivotal players. Base. That's my kid in the background. Cowboys, wide receiver, Chris, and rookie. Cowboys. Let's add a little more different than the other one. This is linebacker Luke Gucci, or whatever. I can't pronounce his name. Rookie. Green. So I think that's out of 49, I believe. Yep, 49. Nice. So far, so good, guys. Not too bad yet. I think the next one should be the jersey. Hopefully, it's the guy that we all want. Russell Wilson or RG3 Andrew Luck. We got Packers cornerback Casey Haywood, rookie. Numbered at a $3.99. Jerry Cook, Titans tight end. Base. Elvis Dumbville. Base for the Broncos. Arian Foster, Titans. At a 99. And we got Kendall Reyes for the Chargers, rookie. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Appreciate it. At a 149. Make sure you guys thumbs up. Comment. Do your thing. Panini, thank you very much for making another wonderful product. Follow me at Twitter, Brick City Cards. If Panini's following me. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks.